Hello everybody, welcome to my TED Talk. My name is Jessica and today I'm going to be talking a little bit about orcas in captivity and why they should be free. Thinking about that word free, everybody wants freedom. Everyone wants something free. I mean, that word is very strong. It matters in America. It matters in, everywhere. Tilikum in SeaWorld, however, they did not care about him. He was actually the first orca to drown a trainer in front of a live audience during a performance. And you would think that would be something that makes SeaWorld want to change, want to free these whales so these traumatic things don't happen anymore. However, it does happen. Like that orca, it was still in captivity up until he was 44 years old and died in 2017. And it just goes to make you think, why does SeaWorld or places like Marineland or anywhere that has animals for amusement want these animals even after such damaging events? And the only answer is money. And if you go by money, it doesn't make sense why these animals need to be there. They posted a statement about how they needed to keep these orcas in captivity so they could study them, so they can save them, so they can, breed them. And it didn't make any sense because scientists all over the world have technology now to where the least minimal contact with these whales in their natural environment is just as good as keeping them captured, which I do not believe they should. And if you think about the movie Free Willy, that orca name was Kiska, and she was actually freed during with the International Marine Project helping along, and recaptured at Marineland, and now she lives in solitary confinement and is considered one of the loneliest animals in the world. And you think about humans, and no human wants to be stuck alone. No animal wants to be stuck alone. And it's just a heartbreaking thing to just watch these animals self-harm, be depressed. Nothing like that should, ever come up when you're talking about an orca. And that is why I'm asking you guys to take action. If you guys go to orcaaware.org, you can learn more information about what is actually behind the scenes of what these marine parks are trying to, fake tell the news, and just find all this information for yourself. Find out the facts. But we do need to take action, and I hope you guys will help me. Thank you.